Kasama rin ho natin dito pa rin sa The Heritage ang isa ho sa cast ng John and Marcia. Pinapanood ko siya noon. Nadagdag siya dun sa original cast kasi nung nag-asawa yung anak ni John at ni Marcia Puruntong na si Rolly, ang napangasawa niya ay si Madel. Magandang gabi po, Miss Madel.
Good evening, Miss Jessica.
Kumusta ho na ho kayo ngayon?
Okay naman po.
At medyo nag-lilo na ho kayo, no, from showbiz after John and Marcia?
Yes, because I got married and I have my own business. Kaya medyo out of the limelight muna.
May reunion po yata ngayon ng John and Marcia dahil lang sponsor po yung RPN9 kung saan nagkaroon ng John and Marcia nung araw. Ano daw ho gagawin nyo ngayon?
Surprise.
Mukhang may skit kayo, ganun ba?
Maybe.
Ano yung hindi mo makakalimutan kay Mang Dolphy?
Alam mo, Miss Jessica, hindi ako mahiyang sabihin na ampun ako. Ampun ako because I'm an adopted daughter of the Puruntong family.
Kala ko.
Kasi, kahit newbie ako, Daddy Dolphy really welcomed me. And I was starstruck when I thought, baka may air or mayabang. But no, even with his stature, he treated me as ka-level niya. Someone similar to his standing. And I'm really so touched.
Nung nagtapos yung John and Marcia, kung hindi ako nagkakamali, may anak na kayo ni Rolly, no? Na nagkaroon ng apo sa set si Mang Dolphy.
Yes, I stayed in the show for 8 years. So I was still studying in college. Tapos hanggang nag-asawa ko, hanggang nabuntis ako, nanganak ako. Tapos kami din ni Rolly dun sa show, may anak na. And may I say also, Miss Jessica, yung anak ko dun nga pala, si Miss Ken Lasha. Actually, she passed away 2 years ago. She's the wife of Mayor Junjun Binay.
So, tatlo na pala sa cast ng John and Marcia ang wala na. Si Mang John Puruntong, si Marcia Puruntong, Nida Blanca, and yung baby nyo doon, si Ken.
Aside from them, there's
Siyempre si Mang Ading.
Yes, the late Ading Fernando. And then si Lola Del, si Doña Delilah.
Yeah. Pero nasa loob si Matutina, nakita ko kanina dumating.
That's good. I'm excited to see her. Hindi pa kami nagkikita.
Ngayon lang ba kayo magre-reunion, if ever?
Yes. Actually, we saw each other nung 80th birthday ni Daddy Dolphy.
How sad, no, na Mang Dolphy is gone and Nida Blanca is gone and ngayong wala na sila, ngayon pa kayo magkikita-kita, no? How sad.
Yes, that's true. Pero kung sad kami dito, I'm sure they're very happy in heaven because the cast of John and Marcia, most of the members are already there.
Baka doon na sila nagsisitcom. Maraming salamat, Madel. Last na lang, meron ka bang gustong ipahatid na mensahe sa pamilya Quezon and syempre kay Mang Dolphy, your daddy Dolphy?
My deepest condolences to the Quezon family. At saka, Daddy, thank you so much. You treated me as your own adopted daughter nga. At saka, never ko siya nakita in the 8 years I stayed na magkaroon ng tantrum or magmura or magyabang.
Talaga?
Very impressive talaga. And he showed a very good example that even if you're a great name in showbiz, pwede kang maging makatao, mapagbigay, at saka very humble. So, Daddy Dolphy, pasintabi na lang to the other comedians, no one can replace your big clown shoes. You're one in a million. Mahal kita, I love you, Daddy. May you rest in peace.
Salamat. Yan po si Madel De Leon na gumanap pong Madel din doon sa John and Marcia, ang sitcom na pinagbidahan rin po ni Mang Dolphy sa loob ng 17 taon.